Hello and welcome to another CNRL Fast video. Today we're going to make these trick cookies. You will need a tray with baking paper, a pot with water, some potatoes, a potato masher, potato peeler, a knife, a chopping board, some kidney beans or some black beans, salt, butter and milk. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first thing we'll peel the potatoes. And we'll chop them into small pieces. Be careful if you're using a knife. And we'll pop them in the water. And we'll want to boil them on the stove for about 15 minutes or until the potatoes are soft when you poke them with a fork. Okay, so our potatoes are nice and soft and strained. And now what we need to do is mash our potato. So we put some butter in, a pinch of salt, and a dash of milk. We don't want the potato to be too runny. We want it to be nice and fluffy. And mash it up. We can see that's nice and creamy. Now we'll add our beans, which are gonna look like chopped chips. Maybe 2 tablespoons, and mix them in. And there's our chocolate chip cookie dough. We'll put that aside to cool. And in the meantime, we will turn our oven onto 160. Okay, our trick cookie dough is nice and cool. And what we're gonna do now is just put it into cookie-sized balls. So I like to use a spoon to get the portions right. And we're just gonna take it off and mold it into the shape of a cookie. Now I'm going to put, on some of mine, I'm going to put these hundreds and thousands just to give it that extra sweet look. Okay, and they are ready to go in the oven. Okay, well, that's been in the oven for 50 minutes at 160 degrees. Let's pull them out and have a look. And they look like real choc chip cookies, except they certainly don't smell like it. All right, I'm gonna give one a try. Now the idea is I'm expecting a sweet, chocolatey taste. Instead, I'm getting mashed potato. Yeah, it tastes like potato. It doesn't taste bad though. It tastes quite good. Let's see if we can trick someone.
Ah, nice. These look great. Cool.
This is a completely different texture to what I was expecting.
I'm intrigued and scared.
Actually, no, sorry, I don't like it. Oh.
Oh yeah! And it's beans!
Yeah. I tried mine in the video.
What? Are these like prank Halloween ones?
Oh.
Trick or treat.
I was rewinding the bin.
Today we're gonna do noughts and crosses, but with a spooky twist. We're gonna do skulls and spiders. So what do we need, Abby?
We need some rocks. You can find them wherever you look to the ground, basically. And we need some sticks, and then we need some paint pens.
Thank you, Abby. Good game.